Okay, so we are crossing is Portugal and going to Spain. And one very interesting fact I really wanted to tell everybody is that in Portugal, everywhere you'll see black rooster, and you'll see fish sign. So the fish is salmon, and it is symbol of prosperity and fishing industry in Portugal. And black rooster is the symbol of tourism. So the king of Portugal had selected black rooster as a symbol of tourism in Portugal. So you'll see black rooster in all kind of touristy stuff, and you'll see the salmon fish everywhere because of the fishing industry.